Hello, welcome to another Cadivel Academy's video. My name is Moises Haas. I'm Cadivel Professionals Educator. And today I'm here to teach you how to create a very shiny, long-lasting effect for puffy and very frizzy hair. Your feedback is very important to us. So please give your thumbs up for this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions and comments below. We're gonna get back to you as soon as possible. The line that I use today is perfect for you that on a daily basis encounter clients that wish to have less frizz in their hair. It is also the ideal product for those clients that had keratin treatments previously done in their hair and need something in between. One of the advantages of this service is that if your client's hair is already clean and with no residues, you just have to wet the hair and begin the process. To start the application process, Leo is brushing the hair with Keratin Express, and now he's going to start massaging the hair in circular movements. It's very important to avoid massaging the scalp to avoid any irritation. The time we're going to leave the product on the hair varies according to the type of hair and the results you want. For example, if your client has a lot of hair, it's very puffy and she wants it completely straight, we're going to leave it between 40 and 50 minutes. On Judah's case today, we're going to leave it for 40 minutes because she wants the result to be naturally straight. Now I've already rinsed her hair, and before we start blow drying the hair, we're gonna apply the primer Brasil Cacau. It's important to remember that we don't need to use too much product, just enough to have it on the extension of the hair. Now Leo has already air dried her hair 100%, and you guys can see that the hair is very shiny and the tip ends are very smooth. We're now going to the last step, which is flat iron her hair. So I divided her hair in 4 different sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. To guarantee a straight effect from root to ends, we're gonna flat iron her hair on a 90-degree angle and in fine strands. Just like this. On Julie's case, we're gonna flat iron her hair 10 times using the flat iron at 200-degree temperature. Just as a reminder, to guarantee a natural effect, We don't flat iron the ends too much. Now Leo is gonna help me doing the same thing I'm doing on this side, on that side of the hair, and we're gonna do it throughout the whole hair. So as you guys can see, we just finished the service, the anti-freeze service, and the hair looks very shiny, very healthy, lots of movement. The ends are very smooth. And just to give a little more shine to the hair, I'm gonna end the service with the Shine Serum. So that's it, everyone. I'm sure this is going to be a big success in your salon. Your clients should use the maintenance products at home. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. I'll see you soon.